the giant global cosmetic brand L'Oréal Paris. And I can go on and on about the brand. We all know it's globally there. It's also in our bathrooms. However, one quick glitzy glamour fact I would like to throw to you that L'Oréal Paris finishes 18 years of association with Festival de Cannes for being their makeup partner. 18 years, ladies and gentlemen. I think that deserves a round of applause, some association that is. And to talk more about this, I'm going to quickly call upon, so that we cut the chase, get to the action, get to the meat of the matter, Manshi Gua, General Manager, L'Oréal Paris. Ladies and gentlemen, Manshi Gua.
Hello, good evening. Thank you, आप सब लोग आए. You know, it's a Saturday afternoon, weekend, and it's very, very hot. So thanks a lot for making it here and being on time. Like Virat said, L'Oréal Paris has been the official makeup partner of Cannes Film Festival for the last 18 years. And it's a very big honor for us, and har saal we launch a new collection at this time, and we're always very excited because, you know, all these years Aishwarya, Sonam, Frida, you know, they walk the red carpet every year. People in India wait, you know, to see all the beautiful pictures and to see what they're wearing in makeup, in clothes, etc. Very, very exciting time. So this year, to announce the lineup and the schedule for Cannes, we are also very, very excited because it's Katrina Kaif's first year, so she's going to debut at Cannes this year, and we're very happy about that. And what we've managed is a brilliant opening for Katrina. So Katrina will open the Cannes Film Festival this year on the 13th of May. So it's great news for India. Sonam and Aishwarya have opened the Cannes Film Festival years in the past. So it's great that Katrina also gets to do that. Apart from that, so after Katrina, we have Sonam, who will walk the red carpet on 16th. And we will have Aishwarya Rai walking the red carpet on 17th and 20th of May. So that's a very impressive lineup from our side. And like always, har saal hum ek naya collection introduce karte hain for Cannes. And this year's collection is actually called Matte or Gloss. So usually girls decide नहीं कर पाते कि उनको matte पहनना है या gloss पहनना है, कब पहनना है, कौन से तरह का look. L'Oréal Paris is a brand, global brand, that is a designer brand that sets you know, makeup trends. So our concept this year is matte or gloss. And what we've done this year is that most girls want to know कि मुझे कैसे ये करना है, कौन से कपड़ों के साथ कौन सा lipstick पहनना है, etc. So what we've done is we've done a huge contest this year, primarily on digital, so on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, etc., where girls from all over the country actually send in their selfies. So अपना selfie खींच के they just send, and it can either be a matte selfie with a matte lipstick or one with gloss. And we have formed two teams. So one is Sonam's team, which is called Marvelous Matte, and there's Katrina's team, which is called Glamorous Gloss. So both Sonam and Katrina have gone through the entries, and they have selected girls, 6 girls on each team from all over the country. So these girls have come from, you know, tiny places like Bokaro or Dehradun or Cochin, and some are from Bombay and Delhi and Calcutta and all of that. So, you know, they're girls from all over, and you will see Sonam with her team, which is Marvelous Matte, and Katrina with her team, Glamorous Gloss. And all these girls are going to walk the red carpet with the celebrities.
Anushka won't like it if you call me Virat. Thank you so much, Manshi. Manshi just made my job so much. For Team Matte and Sonam Kapoor. Welcome, Sonam. Please take center stage. Please, the shutterbugs, they're waiting for you. Let me take that for you.
say this, but I'm genuinely very excited to be going to Cannes this year as part of Team L'Oréal Paris. It's my 5th year representing L'Oréal Paris at the event, and I couldn't be more thrilled to celebrate the grandeur and excellence of cinema with a brand that brings so much style, beauty, and glamour to the red carpet. Our beauty trend, as you all can see this year, is matte or gloss, inspired some of the best looks seen on the international runways. We wanted to add our own twist to the looks, and we took inspiration from the concept of prima donna, a woman who is gorgeous, oozes style, and an absolute diva. I was very intrigued with the theme and curious to see the kind of looks that L'Oréal Paris and Namrata Soni would create together to bring this vision to life. I must say I'm in love with the way these looks have been designed, and I can't wait to wear one of them at Cannes. I love experimenting with my makeup, as you guys know, and a theme like matte or gloss gives me a lot of scope to do so. So I'm going to show you some of this stuff, guys. Open it, I'm dying to see it, everybody's dying to see it. Kolja Simpson. Okay. Ooh, both of them are opening together. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so that's Raspberry Romance, and it's really royal, it's really chic, and it's really romantic. And Sapphire Splendor is experimental and red carpet worthy. I love the blue liner. I think with brown Indian eyes, I think blue liner looks amazing. I think both of them like kind of represent my personality, which is really spunky and spontaneous. And Namrata and L'Oreal have done a great job kind of representing me. I'm very, very excited with these looks and can't wait for you guys to see it. Now I can give you a photo op without the mic and the cue cards. Who do I give this to?
Before you get out of there, can I also plug in the Swarovski studded moist matte lipstick?
Where's that lipstick? Does anybody have it with them? The lipstick isn't here, but I got this beautiful lipstick which is completely studded with crystals, which is really, really beautiful. And I'm actually going to Instagram it today. It's really gorgeous. It's got my signature. It's my signature lipstick, which has got Swarovskis on it. So, anyway.
Can you please the shutterbugs? Let me take the mic. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonam Kapoor, Team Matte. Fantastic. You may want to have this and this.
I need another cue card. My last cue card.
You need that last
Yeah, I
speaker?
need my last cue card.
Can we help? Sir?
And the mic's working now? Okay, perfect. So, who better to share this excitement with than our fans, right? I would like to now introduce you to a set of 6 beautiful women, my team of marvelous matte girls who were selected through L'Oréal Paris You Can Matte or Gloss contest. I was given the opportunity to style these lovely girls, and I combined my fashion sense with their beautiful personalities to create these stunning looks. I do hope they all enjoyed it. So, please welcome each of these girls. Team Matte. First, Tara Dixit.
Woo!
Woo!
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, little more energy for Tara Dixit. Tara Dixit is 21, hails from Bihar, and is a master's student in commerce. A good daughter and a successful student. Her heart lies in dancing, and Sonam, she is eager to pursue acting and modeling as well.
Amazing. You can
Thank
see the
you, Tara.
confidence. The second girl is Garvita Garg.
Come on, we can do with some cheer for Garvita Garg, ladies and gentlemen. Garvita is 24, is from New Delhi and a publicist in the making. Describing herself as the girl next door, she is an animal lover, a big-time foodie, and a fashion enthusiast who loves to shop. I think that should be something in common with you. So. Thank you, Garvita.
Girl number 3 is Sandhya Rao.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of more love for Sandhya, who is 25 and a fashion and beauty blogger from Ahmedabad. Happily married and a quick learner. I don't know how she manages both. She loves experimenting with things related to fashion and beauty. She's also a huge sports fanatic and a fun magnet. Thank you, Sandhya.
Girl number 4 is Rashmi Nair.
Rashmi Nair is 20-year-old architecture student from Mumbai with a heart for fashion. She's an avid reader and an enthusiastic music buff and has the curious gene of an explorer in her. My mind. Thank you, Rashmi.
Girl number 5 is Saloni Jain. Oh, you look beautiful.
Saloni Jain, 22, is from Mumbai and has an interesting job as a Bollywood correspondent. Yeah. Writing, traveling, and watching movies are a few of the things that make her day. And one can find the qualities of a fashionista in her. Wow, Saloni.
Last but not the least, Rachna Sharma. Ready?
Rachna Sharma is a 36-year-old interior designer and architect from Rajkot and the mother of 2 beautiful kids. A strong feminist, she stands up for what she believes in and is true to her values of humanity and honesty. A woman of strong character and conviction, she strongly believes in the power of creativity.
Amazing.
Thank you, Rachna. Come on, Sonam, hit the ramp with the girls. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Matt. Before you go away, are you going to give us a Shutterbug opportunity here as well? Most famous lip color shades are cleverly placed against each other for the first time by L'Oreal Paris. Speaking for the first time, I'm just going to repeat this again. Our representative of the glamorous gloss theme is also the first timer at Cannes red carpet this year. It is none other than, ladies and gentlemen, with bated breath, I'd like to call upon one fantastic name which many consider as the ultimate fashion icon of Bollywood. quickly have you center stage. Let them take as many pictures of you. I have my mic. Welcome back. Welcome back, Katrina. अगर आपकी आज्ञा हो तो हम आगे बढ़ें. Katrina, I know this is a predicament for me, but I said this to Sonam as well. But what do I do? You also look gorgeous. Will you believe me if I said you look gorgeous?
Always. I'll believe anything you say.
Okay, we'll make sure.
I think my mic is off. Now it's on. Every woman wants to hear she looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
So I just think you're trying to be popular.
No. That's Katrina Kaif. Wait for you. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Katrina Kaif. So Katrina, first time at Cannes. Tell me something about that. How do you feel?
Well, I'm very excited. I'm very, very happy to be representing part of the team, representing L'Oreal and India at the Cannes Film Festival. I'll be attending the opening ceremony, so that's also very exciting for me.
Congratulations.
I'm also really looking forward to meeting some of L'Oreal's other global brand ambassadors. Some of them are people who I've really admired and looked up to for quite some time. So I think it's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to meeting new people and to, of course, share some of the new beauty trends that L'Oreal has for this year.
So we believe you've been to at least 12 countries in this world and you stayed there. Have you been to France? Cannes
I've been to
before?
France many times. I've not been actually to Cannes, so this will be my first time, which I'm very much looking forward to it.
It's truly your first time.
Truly my first time.
Okay. मुद्दे पे आते हैं. ये team loss. What is team loss? You want to talk about?
So Team Gloss is the team which I am representing, and I'm very happy that I was given Team Gloss, because I think everyone knows I'm quite a fan of gloss. I think gloss is timeless. It always looks beautiful, it looks sensual, it looks chic. I think it's never over the top, and L'Oreal has come out with a new range called Extraordinaire, of which there are 12 or 13 colors. So I think in the pictures you can see two of my favorite shades, which also I've put on a lot of the girls who are part of my team. And I think it's very commendable what L'Oreal has done. Basically, they've done a digital contest where we've given some, I think 6 girls an opportunity to see what it's like to get ready and to walk the red carpet for an event. So I worked together with the team from L'Oreal. We've designed looks for them. I think the girls look absolutely beautiful. They look very calm, not nervous, and very excited. So I'm looking forward to introducing you, my beautiful girls from Team Gloss.
Fantastic. But before we do that, can I ask you a politically incorrect
Of
question?
course, always.
Tell me, honestly, how hands-on were you with this? Like, it's
Well-
team loss. You're representing.
Well,
Team Gloss.
unfortunately for the girls, I actually have selected their outfits. Now, maybe they would have rather had a professional stylist, but nonetheless, I was given the responsibility of selecting the outfits, which we did. So I've actually gone for a little more of a group. I wanted everyone to look good in a group photo for Team Gloss. So I've tried to work with what I think would look nice on the individual girls, as well as look nice as a team, because you know everything's all about teamwork. And Namrita, of course, has designed the makeup looks and tweaked, you know, the styles, the colors as per each girl's skin type, you know, what we think would suit them. So yes, I'm very much responsible for it. I will take the
I'll take your word.
praise, hopefully, for it.
So, all right, let me help you call the girls up and
Yes, please,
introduce
definitely.
them to the audience.
So this is my beautiful girls from Team Gloss.
All right, let's have the first girl, Malvika Satlani, come on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Malvika Satlani. Why don't you just come, ladies and gentlemen, Malvika Satlani. Malvika lives in Mumbai and strongly believes in the motto, live and let live, Katrina. Music is her escape and she believes in loving yourself for exactly who you are. A go-getter by heart, she aims to be truly happy in life. We wish you all the best with that, Malvika. Thank you. Next, let me call upon Ankita Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Ankita Singh. Okay, Ankita is a 27-year-old lawyer based in Mumbai. She is not only a voracious reader but also an artistic hand and considers traveling as one of her many traits. Wish you all the best, Ankita. Thank you. And you're looking gorgeous. Doing just fine. Ladies and gentlemen, let me call upon Anusha Iyer. Hello, Anusha.
Beautiful.
Anusha Iyer is a health and wellness professional from Mumbai. She is multi-talented with her job as a nutritionist. Wow. As well as being a mother to a 5-year-old son. I don't know how they do that. Happily married, she has a passion for traveling, dancing and cooking. Thank you, Anusha. And moving on to our fourth, Neha Sheikh. Come on, give a round of applause to Neha. I love that dress. Nice thing. Neha is a 21-year-old professional air hostess based in Mumbai. With passion for dancing and grooming, she believes in living her life with confidence and a positive attitude. Wish you all the best, Neha. Afreen Fatima. Come on, some love for Afreen. Afreen is a 21-year-old architecture student from Kerala. Sketching, henna designing, dancing and photography are some of the artistic things that she loves. Determination and focus are her keys to success and she aims to do big in life. Wish you all the best, Afreen. Fantastic. And last but not the least, Onkana Sarkar. Woohoo! They're all flowing through. Nice. Onkana is a 23-year-old multimedia student from Kolkata, a fun-loving girl who likes to put her thoughts on canvas. She's passionate about designing and modeling and is thrilled about dancing and traveling, among many other things. Onkana, wish you all the best and you're looking fantastic in the dress. Hit the head ramp with the girls. I'll take care of the mic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer for Team Gloss.
That reminds me of my heart. That reminds me of my heart.
Please give us a photo of the face. Katrina. Just a couple of steps back, Katrina, here as well. Yes, yeah, that's okay. That's good. Can we, one more time, give a round of applause to Team Gloss and the effort put in. Fantastic, fantastic girls, fantastic Katrina. Thank you so much. This was lovely. Team Gloss, this was wonderful.
Frozen fields, searching dark, I suppose.
अरे वापस आ रही है.
On a fence.
Like, They're the designers of the clothes they were donning, the outfits they were wearing. I'm going to tell you something about these three lovely designers. Ritika Bharwani, about Ritika, a creative spirit, the love of fashion and affinity to exploring new cultures through her art led Ritika Bharwani Jaisinghani to decide at 15 that she would be a fashion designer. That's just one of them. We also have Zulekha Sharif, a self-stimulated designer who uses influence and heritage for her inspirations. Zulekha Sharif mixed her old world customs and modern values to launch herself today. And last but not the least, the lady responsible for the clothes of the girls is Babita Malkan. Ladies, I'm going to call on stage Sonam Kapoor and Katrina Kaif and Manshi Gua, General Manager, L'Oreal Paris. Ladies and gentlemen, the three lovely ladies on stage. All right, let me ask my first question to Manshi. Can I? May I?
I think it's only fair.
It's only fair, right? Manshi, very few people get to sit between Katrina and Sonam Kapoor. How are you feeling?
Well, you know, when I stand next to these ladies, I feel only one thing, which is short.
Nicely put, ladies and gentlemen, that was nicely put. Okay, Sonam, Katrina, my dusra sawal for both of you. I don't think the world has seen you all sharing a stage or sitting so closely to each other lately. So what do you have to say about that? Both of you, come on.
Katrina,
Katrina,
answer.
why-
I don't bite.
you don't buy it?
I don't bite. I won't bite. I promise.
I
She
don't
can interchange seats, I still won't bite.
I think I'm a source of entertainment to Katrina. She loves sitting next to me. She's constantly laughing when I'm around, which I think is amazing. I love Katrina. I think I've said several times. So I think it's great that we can share a stage together. I think lots of actresses wouldn't be okay with doing that, and I'm quite happy and honored to be on the same stage as her. So.
No, that's very humble. Round of applause for Sonam for saying such sweet and nice things. Come on, she's being really sweet. That was really nice, Sonam. I was really touched with that. Okay. Okay, moving on. Now, let's throw this open for the media. Do we have questions for the lovely ladies on stage? Do we have a mic for the media as well? Can we say a raise of hands and please introduce yourself and go for your question.
Hi, Mansi. Hi, this side. Yeah. Is Shoma Ghosh from Grey Shobha magazine. मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि इस बार कैटरीना फर्स्ट टाइम डेब्यू कर रही है आपके, इससे पहले ऐश्वर्या जी और सोनम जी भी किया है. आप इनके पहली बार करने कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हैं कि कैसा ये अलग होगा, कितना अच्छा होगा, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस?
Obviously, अच्छा ही होगा. So I'm very confident about that. I think we have three wonderful women and three amazing stars. So it's going to be a great can once again.
Hi Mansi, this is Pooja, freelance journalist. I would like to ask you, how has been the journey of L'Oreal? How was the transition? It's been 18 years of L'Oreal.
It's 18 years since we've been, makeup partners in the Cannes Film Festival. It's been, I think, a very, very good journey because most of our most famous celebrities have always walked the red carpet. There are celebrities who have also grown with Cannes with each passing year. So I think we have some wonderful memories. And when I sometimes look back and see all the old photographs, I think you can see the journey of a brand, the journey of the celebrity, and also the journey of partnerships. Because many of our celebrities have been there for, for decades with us. So I think it speaks a lot about the brand and the kind of people we have with the brand.
7 years with L'Oreal.
And 5 years at Cannes as well, right? And your 5th year at Cannes. Fantastic. Can we have another question?
Hi, Katrina. This is Sohail over here. Hi. We're missing you a lot, in fact. Happy to see you again over here. How are you preparing yourself?
Happy to see you too.
Yeah, thanks. How are you preparing yourself for the Cannes Festival?
Well, I think L'Oreal has an amazing team that works in Cannes, and I think works with a lot of their ambassadors from all around the world. So you have a great team already in place with your hair, with your makeup experts, with stylists as well. So that whole team is in place, and I think they've always done an amazing job. So I'm happy to learn from them and to see new things, experience new trends. And then, of course, if I'm still uncertain or insecure about something, I'll just pick up the phone and call Sonam, because I think she's the best person for advice when it comes to clothes or when it comes to style and fashion. She always gets it bang on. And if she's next door and I still don't have anything to wear, I'll just go into her room and take a dress. Do you mind? No, thanks. No, I've known Sonam for quite some time, and she's a really, really sweet and special friend, I think I can call her. So if I need any help, I know she's there. She'll help me.
Hi, this is for Sonam and Katrina, both of you.
Where are you?
I'm here. The meaning of fashion changes every time. What fashion means to you?
Can you repeat the question again?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. What fashion means to you, Sonam and Katrina?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. So what fashion means to you?
Go for it.
Honestly, there's fashion and then there's style. Fashion is about trends, and it's about what's, now in vogue. But style is something which is timeless and classic. And yes, you're right, fashion keeps changing, but inherent style always remains. And so it's just about, anything that represents your style, and you kind of have to adapt fashion of any era to your style.
And what about Katrina? What's her view?
I was listening, sorry. What is my view? I think nobody better can answer that question than Sonam. I think she said the correct answer. I do believe that style is a little more personal, and fashion is something which can be dictated by, fashion editors, fashion magazines. And I think if you are very comfortable in that world and confident, then you should definitely experiment and try new things, and if you have good direction as well. And if not, I think if you're not a person who likes to experiment too much with fashion, I think that's okay also. As long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think fashion should not ever overpower you. You should always dress for yourself first and then for other people.
Nice.
Thank you.
Where's the next question? Don't feel pressure to ask a question. There are many questions happening on the side screen as well. I can slip one of them.
On your left?
Yes.
On your left, hi. I would just love to ask you, you're doing very well at your professional level. When do we get to see you married? When is that day going to come? Because finally
She's gonna get married after me. We've decided this, and
when is that going to happen?
we don't know yet.
Katrina, what's your answer for this?
I think that's an excellent suggestion. I should get married after Sonam, and I don't think Sonam knows yet as well. So I think neither of us know. Marriage should be special, and marriage, I think, should be magical. And you should just get married when you look at each other and you're 100% sure you never want to live without that person. And I hope that happens soon, and for me, and for you, and for Sonam, and for all of us. Very
Too
soon.
young, man.
हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस साल कटरीना आपकी शादी हो सकती है।
मैं सोच रहा था आप पूछेंगे शादी पे मैट लगा रहे क्या ग्लॉस
वो मैं पूछ लूंगी, वो तो हमेशा
Sorry,
Gloss ही
I didn't hear the question.
इस साल आपकी शादी हो सकती है कटरीना? खबरें आ रही हैं इस बार रणबीर भी रेडी है.
See, everything is possible. हो सकती है is a very generic. I mean, anything is always possible, but I don't have any plans yet, so I can't share the plans with you. But if I do, and when I do have the plans, I promise you, I will tell you. That's my promise.
मालदीव्स के वेकेशन पे आप गई थी, आप वहाँ से आ भी गई जल्दी. कुछ खास वजह कि आप इतने जल्दी वहाँ से आ गई? लॉरियल ने आपको बुला लिया?
Manashi's fault. All Manashi's fault. She called me. I had to come back. All the way back on the plane, I was only thinking about Manashi. See her face. But it was a very important event. This is something I think was really special, the thought of what has been done today. Basically, I think Cannes is something which always seems very out of reach, probably for most people, and someone like L'Oreal today has given an opportunity for girls from all over the country to just experience and feel like for a day what it's like to walk a red carpet. Obviously, this is not, you know, a movie premiere, but just the chance to be able to see what it's like, I think is something which is really special, and the girls seemed really happy, and it was very nice for us, I think, to be able to meet them and interact with them as well.
All right, but I have one question, allow me.
I have one question.
I also have one.
कटरीना,
I'll come back to you. Let me...
आपकी फिल्म आ रही है जग्गा जासूस, लेकिन बार-बार जो फिल्म की रिलीजिंग डेट है वो डिले हो रही है. क्या रीजन है इसके पीछे, ये जानना चाहेंगे? बिकॉज
मैं यहाँ इतना उम्मीद लेके आया था कि कटरीना और सोनम से अपनी स्किन के बारे में
उम्मीद लेके आए हैं सर कि अब कटरीना के आंसर्स मिलेंगे.
चल.
Actually, we'll just quickly, I'll address your question. It's not been delayed. The release of Jagga Jasoos will be this year end. This is the first time the release date has been announced, so that's not been delayed. But Phantom, which was my movie with Kabir Khan, that was delayed by 2 months. So now that releases in August.
Can I ask Sonam and Katrina? There are repetitive tweets going on for questions to both of you. And I'd be doing a disservice to that process if I don't ask you this. Tips from both of you on healthy skin. I'm sure there are a lot of girls on healthy skin. How do I make my skin look like yours? Is that simple?
It's genetic, and then there's L'Oreal Paris.
And some tips. Come on, be nice. Give us some tips. Both of you, Katrina and Sonam.
I think 4 liters of water a day is the first step.
Okay.
And then the second thing is, it's very logical, is diet. If it looks oily and fried and, you know, deep fried, does it look like it's gonna help your skin? Does it really? If it doesn't, then, you know, honestly, you gotta avoid it most of the time. Try avoiding it 5 days a week, 2 days a week, eat what you want. 5 days a week, make sure you eat clean and healthy.
Okay. Is matte and gloss about personality or occasion?
I think it's occasion. I guess I just like to wear everything.
So it's fairly occasion.
It's also my mood.
Okay. Some more? We have media wanting to ask more.
Hello.
We'll take that as the last
Hello,
couple of
this-
questions.
This is for Katrina. I'd like to ask you that what benchmark you had in your mind when you decided to join this brand L'Oreal?
Can you repeat the question? Sir?
What benchmark you had in your mind when you decided to join this brand L'Oreal?
Benchmark of what?
You had in your mind
But benchmark
Of what?
in terms
Benchmark?
of
regarding the brand L'Oreal.
what I think you're asking is what did I want to achieve with L'Oreal Paris?
Yeah, okay.
You know, L'Oreal is and has always been a very iconic beauty brand, firstly and foremost. Always setting new trends, that's one thing. Secondly is, I've often in the past, as you know, they have many global beauty ambassadors. I've often admired many of their women. So for me, it was also getting a chance to join the team and be among women who I personally admire. The other thing is I've also noticed they always really tend to support their ambassadors and work hand in hand with them, growing with them, as Manashi said, not just kind of dictating to them, but growing with their ambassadors in whatever phase of life they may be in their career, in their own life. I think they speak along with the women who endorse their product. So I think that to me was very appealing. It's not just about signing a brand, but it's kind of joining a family that speak for women and very positively and strongly for women, and that's what L'Oreal Paris does.
Sonam,
Yeah, that will be the last question, ma'am. So be
Sonam, इस बार क्या रिया आपको स्टाइल करने वाली है?
Yes.
So, what you are going to wear there? Can you just?
It's a surprise.
I'll send you the picture later.
My question is to Katrina and Sonam. Being a celebrity, how much you all have to be most of the time you all are in makeup? Like how responsible it becomes? Like most of the time you are into makeup. Like that is a kind of a responsible.
Sorry, Babu, what did you say?
मतलब being a celebrity, आप लोगों को ज़्यादातर मतलब अच्छा लगना होता है, अच्छा दिखना होता है, तो ज़्यादातर you all are in makeup actually.
So basically, what you're trying to say is, without makeup, we don't look good.
I didn't say that way.
I look good.
That's up actually. But कितना responsibility होती है actually आपके लिए? Is it a kind of a compulsion या responsible?
Honestly, मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि जब आप सेलिब्रिटी होते हैं तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आप अपने आप को एक तरह रिप्रेजेंट करें. तो अगर हम पब्लिक में जाएं तो यू हैव टू बी वेल टू पुट टुगेदर. पर पर्सनल लाइफ में या घर पे या अगर कोई फिल्म की रिक्वायरमेंट है और मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है तो हम नहीं पहनते हैं. या एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं और पता नहीं कैसे फोटोग्राफर्स पहुंच जाते हैं वहाँ, तो मेरे को पता है कैसे पहुंच जाते हैं, पर स्टिल तो तब मेकअप नहीं होता और फिर वो एक बड़ी सर्कल आती है अंडर आइज के, वो सब होता है कभी कभार, पर ऑनेस्टली इट डिपेंड्स.
I think the main difference between me and Sonam is when Sonam is in front of the camera or in an event or in her own life, personal life, if you just see her at a restaurant, she always looks like she's just stepped off a red carpet, or she could just go onto a red carpet. If you see me at an event like this, I may look like I belong there, and if you see me in my own life, I look like I'm going to bed. So basically one has style consistently and consecutively, and some of us, don't all the time.
मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी इंसिडेंट याद है. मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गई थी और कटरीना वहाँ थी अपनी मम्मी के साथ, वो खाना खा रही थी और उन्होंने एक जीन्स और टी शर्ट, बहुत ही फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट है बाय द वे, और उन्होंने जीन्स और टी शर्ट पहना था, कुछ मेकअप नहीं था, बाल एकदम ऐसे उन्होंने टाई किए थे और आई थिंक यू वेयरिंग फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स कैट इफ आई नॉट, एंड मुझे याद है कि मैंने एक क्रिश्चियन डियोर का स्कर्ट पहना था, क्रॉप टॉप पहना था, और कटरीना said, "Did you come from an event?" I was like, no, I was at home, I just put this on, and she's like, how long did it take you? I said 5 minutes. She's like, I took 5 minutes as well.
That's a very common occurring event with me and Sonam. I'm like, wow, what are you wearing? Have you just come from an award show? No, I've just come from home. Okay, fine.
हेलो सोनम, यहाँ पे आप 5 साल से लॉरियल में केन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में लॉरियल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, लेकिन भारत से बहुत कम फिल्में हैं जो केन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पहुँच पाती हैं. आप हाल ही में एक बायोपिक कर रही हैं, क्या आपको लगता है कि इसमें काबिलियत है जो केन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जा सके?
जी, मेरी फिल्म मेरी शूटिंग कल शुरू होगी और हाँ, मैं ये फिल्म कर रही हूँ, पर फिल्म बनने से पहले मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ, नेवर काउंट योर चिकन्स बिफोर दे हैच. पर मेरी यही कामना है कि मेरी जो फिल्म है वो एक फेस्टिवल वर्दी फिल्म हो. मुझे पता नहीं ये कैन में जाएगी या वेनिस में जाएगी या सिर्फ बॉम्बे फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जाएगी, पर मेरी यही कामना है और हम देखते हैं क्या होता है उसके साथ. पर होपफुली मेरी फिल्म कल शुरू हो रही है, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है और ये फिल्म बहुत सारे लोगों को स्पेशली इंडिया में बहुत पसंद आएगी.
Hi, my question is to Sonam and Katrina both. I'm Priyanka from ActFacts. I wanted to know one thing that a girl should keep in mind when she's choosing matte or gloss.
One thing to keep in mind when the girl is choosing matte or gloss.
Is it the dress or is it the occasion? What she should keep in mind?
Well, Sonam did say something about the occasion, but please elaborate, Sonam, if you can.
What age?
Yeah,
You are always ageless, man. We're Indians. Indian skin never ages. And then you have L'Oreal products. Honestly, अगर आप मैट या ग्लॉस चूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मैट लिपस्टिक जो है वो आपकी स्किन टोन पे डिपेंड करता है और ग्लॉसी भी स्किन टोन पे डिपेंड करता है. मेरे हिसाब से इवन दो कटरीना एंड मी आर एक्चुअली ऑपोजिट हेयर, जब भी आप ग्लॉसी लिप्स पहन रहे हैं तो बाल बंद होने चाहिए और मैट लिप्स पहन रहे हैं तो बाल खुले होने चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स ईजियर टू मैनेज. पर पता नहीं हम दोनों ने ऑपोजिट ही कर दिया है आज.
Hi Sonam. I think it means that you can wear gloss or matte however you want. There's no right or wrong way to wear it. You can wear it how it suits you. When you look in the mirror, you feel, you automatically just kind of know what you feel comfortable in.
Hi Sonam. Bhavna this side.
कहाँ भावना? कहाँ हो?
भावना इस तरफ.
ऐसी भी ना. आपकी फिल्म की शूट प्रेम रतन धन पायो कंप्लीट हो गई. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ओवरऑल? एंड
जी अब तक खत्म नहीं हुई है.
oh god.
Oh God क्यों बोल रहे हो यार?
Because you have started shooting yesterday for another film and you are still
I'm still shooting it.
How was the whole experience and experience
बहुत
working with Salman Khan?
जी बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. सूरज जी और सलमान के साथ शूटिंग करके मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. अभी बहुत कम शूटिंग बाकी है. अगस्त में आई थिंक करीब 2 हफ्ते मुझे शूटिंग करना है. गाने बचे हैं बस. पर बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और होपफुली लोगों को भी ये फिल्म पसंद आएगी. जैसे आप सब जानते हैं नवंबर में ये फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है.
Sonam, Salman as a person आपके लिए क्या है? If you have to describe Salman as a human being.
जी मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म उनके साथ की थी सावरिया. और मैं उन्हें बचपन से जानती हूँ. वो मेरे पापा के बहुत ही जिगरी दोस्त हैं और वो अब मेरे दोस्त भी हैं. आई कैन कॉल हिम दैट. और वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं और उनके साथ काम करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. होपफुली हम और काम करेंगे एक साथ फ्यूचर में. I think that was the last question, right? Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. May I request? Okay, if you all agree to keep this as the last question, I'll take this as one question. One last question? Okay. Yes, one last question. Please. One last.
Please, one last question. Okay.
Yes.
Recently, Supreme Court has passed a rule saying that the live-in relation couples will be considered as married.
Sorry, ma'am. Thank you. I'll answer that for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonam Kapoor and Katrina Kaif. Please join us for Heidi. It was lovely having you.
How does it feel to be part of it as a person, as a choreographer?